Now we'll discuss the reproductive system in a detail here. So you can see here in a male reproductive organ, it is from 10th to 11th segment. Okay, it contains the two pairs of testes. Okay, so you can see here testes, sac with testes. Now, also it contains a seminal vesicle for maturation. Now, mature sperms move back into the testis sac and enter spermioidal funnel, which are connected to vasa differentia spermatic duct. So, it contains a spermatic duct here. You can see that. So, it moves from testes to spermioidal funnel. You can see this spermioidal funnel, and that funnel then moves to this duct. So these ducts are nothing but the vasa differentia. It is from the 18th segment where they join to the prostatic duct. So here you can see after this vasa differentia, this is the prostatic duct. Now the common prostate and spermatic duct open to the exterior by pair of male genital pores on the veterolateral side of the 18th segment. So they generally open at the 18th segment where the male genital pores are there, and the accessory glands, they have a two pairs, 17th and 19th, one pair in each segments. Now this accessory glands are the extra parts from the reproductive organs. Now female reproductive organs, they have spermatheca, they four pairs located in the 6th and the 9th. You can see here these are the spermatheca, fourth, there are four pairs from 6 to 9 segments. They receive and store spermatozoa during copulation. Paired ovaries attached in the intersegmental septum from 12 to 13 segments. So you can see here sperms, they move like this, and after that they receives the peri receives spermatheca receive the sperm, and they store the spermatozoa. Now ovarian funnel present beneath the ovaries which continue into oviduct, join and open or the ventral side of the female genital pore on 14th segment. So you can see that till 14th segment it's a female part, it joins to the 14th segment so that it will receive the sperm. So during mating, two worm exchange sperms each other, and they mate juxtaposing opposite gonadal openings, exchanging spermatophores. So mature sperm, ova and nutritive fluid are deposited in cocoons produced by gland cells of cytellum. So you can see here they mate opposite so that the sperm and the spermatheca and the testes both will receive the gametes, and they form the cocoons. After 3 weeks, cocoon produces 2 to 20 baby worms. So what are the uses? So uses are they friend of farmers, they produce a vermicomposting, increase fertility of the soil, and they bathe in a game fishing. So all these are economic importance. Then we'll see the next part, morphology and anatomy of cockroach. So you can see here cockroach, they are known as Periplaneta americana. There is a name. Phylum is Arthropoda. Class is Insecta. Genus is Periplaneta, and species is Americana. So they are not caudal, omnivorous, live in a damp places. Okay, they are nocturnal, not notocaudal. Notocaudal is not present. They are invertebrates. So they are omnivores. They feed on the other insects and they live in a damp places. Color is a brown or a black. Size is 1 by 4 inches to 3 inches. The adults are about 34 to 53 mm long. Body is covered by hard brown chitinous exoskeleton. So this wing-like structure is nothing but the exoskeleton. So in each segment, exoskeleton has hardened plates called sclerites, dorsal tergites and ventral sternites. So these sclerites are made up of, so when it's a dorsal side, then it's known as tergites, and when it's a ventral side, they are known as sternites. Together they are sclerites. So body has a 3-region head, thorax and abdomen. We'll see one by one. So we'll see head once. So triangular head is formed by 6 fused segments. It shows a great mobility in all direction due to flexible neck. You can see here this is the head part, and head bears a pair of thread-like antenna. Antenna is for the communication and the channeling. Pair of compound eyes and biting and chewing type of mouth parts. Now head also has a labrum, upper lip, 2 mandibles are there, 2 maxillae are there, hypopharynx is there, and the labium is there. We'll see one by one thing. So this is the mandible part. You can see it is present here. Then labrum is there, labrum is present here. Then mandible is there, mandible, this is the grinding region, incision region. Then maxilla is there, labium is there, and maxilla is there. So you can see this divides like this. So two side mandible, two mandible is there. Then two maxilla is there. This is the labium, this is the hypopharynx and labrum. So when you connect all these parts, so this all mouth part is formed. It has a three parts, protothorax. So now we'll discuss the thorax part. It have a three part, proto, meso and meta. Head is connected to thorax by a nape, so they have a nape. Then after that you can see this is the protothorax, this is the meso one, and this is the meta one. So these are the three type of thorax. Each thoracic segment base pair of walking legs. Now two pair of wings, flowering and hind wings are forewings and hind wings are present. So you can see these are the two pair of hind wing. This is the hind wing and this is the forewing, and they have a two pairs. Now forewing opaque, dark and leathery and covered the hind wings when at rest, and hind wings are the transparent, membranous and used to flight. So this is all over the structure. This is protothoracic leg, this is the mesothoracic leg, and this is meta. So there are three legs because the three here three protothorax are there, thorax parts are there. Then the abdomen, it consists of 10 segments. Okay, it divides into the 10 segments. So in a female, 7th boat shape, 8th and the 9th sterna forms a blood genital pouch. It contains a female gonopore, spermatical pore and collateral glands. So when you see the abdomen portion, there on the 7th, 8th and 9th segment, it's a blood genital pouch where it contains a female gamete and the gonophore and spermatical pores. 7th, 9th and 8th. You can see that 7th, 9th and 8th. After that, in males, genital pouch lies at the hind end of the abdomen, 9th, 10th terga and ventrally 9th sternum. So it is near to the terga and sternum, and it is near to the 9th and the 10th segment. In both sexes, 10th segment bears a pair of jointed anal cerci. Okay, here's jointed anal cercis is there at the 10th segment. This is the last segment. Male bear a pair of short thread-like anal style. You can see this is the anal style. This is differentiation for the male and the female cockroach. Difference between the male and the female cockroach. So here anal cercis is present, here anal style is present. In male, wings extended beyond the tip of the abdomen. In a female, not extend beyond the tip of the abdomen. Narrow abdomen, broad abdomen, anal styles present, absent. It is broad pouch absent and present. This is the difference between the male and the female. So then we'll start the digestive system here.